following message is transmitted at the request of the New Mexico Emergency Management Agency. Everyone in the southwestern region of New Mexico must evacuate immediately. Wildfires are occurring across the southwestern region of New Mexico. As a result, conditions are very hard to live in. Tie a white towel to a location that emergency workers can see to ensure that you have evacuated. Do not put a white towel if you need assistance.